What's up, adventure buddies? We got an interesting video today for you where we're going to do a product review of Cobalt Sports and their snorkeling gear to see if this gear could stand up to the true test of going on an adventure with the adventure buddies. Cue the intro. So why Cobalt Sports? And so this is a company that we found that is up and coming, and it piqued our interest because they are looking at creating opportunities to get people out and into the water to explore the beautiful surface down below. And so we're extremely excited to get to test out this gear to see if it can hold up to that ultimate test of snorkeling with the adventure buddies.
If you've been following us along for some time, you know by now that we often find ourselves in the water. So securing a good pair of snorkeling gear for us is a must. So we are super excited to test out what Cobalt Sports had to offer and to put their gear to the test.
What I really like about Cobalt Sports is their kid line called the Komodo. Here they have some really cool bright colors to make snorkeling fun. But if color isn't your thing, then stay tuned for later this fall because Cobalt is expecting a black pair of snorkel gear coming out. So what I really like about the snorkel is it has a contraption at the top, so when you go underwater, it will stop the water from going in.
On top of the snorkel and mask, the fins that are offered by Cobalt are great. Here I am showing the Cobalt fins that are designed to be easy to carry and pack, which means it's perfect for traveling. Not only are they lightweight, but they're super easy to slip on and adjust to your foot.
So similar to the kids set, Cobalt also offers a variety of mask and color coordinations for the adult sets as well. So for instance, they have masks for every different type of head, no matter the size and or shape. So for instance, this one I'm holding here is the Rikon set, which is a 3-window panoramic set, which is typically geared for those who have larger heads. Next we have the Maro mask. This one is a frameless mask, which is a lot less weight and is great for free diving and for a variety of faces. This one fits basically everybody. Next one we have up is the Hamoa. This is a 2-window mask, which is pretty standard within the snorkeling industry. And again, this one is super lightweight and sticks great to your face and is great for a variety of sizes. So no matter the shape of your head or the size, they have masks that will fit you and give you an ultimate immersive experience underwater. And so whether you like white, blue, black, or a variety of colors, Cobalt Sports has the right mask for you.
One of the things I like best as a mom is when you buy a set which includes a mask, snorkel, and fins, you get a convenient little travel bag, which is great for 2 reasons. First, it allows everyone to be responsible for their own gear. And second, this mesh bag helps the gear dry quickly so you don't have the puddles of water.
It should also be noted that on top of the snorkeling gear, you should also check out the rash guards offered by Cobalt. While the designs and colors are pretty straightforward, having a quality rash guard that is SPF 50, which protects you from the sun, which is oftentimes forgotten about while you're snorkeling, and is a definite must-have. Plus, this rash guard is great for surfing, and it helps keep us warm when we dive deep for some free dives.
And then, as we wrap up the video, we talked about the cool colors, the variety of masks, and the performance quality of all the masks. But probably our favorite aspect of this gear was the price point. For these packages, they run from $45 to about $65, and that is a price that can't be beat for the quality.
And so as we mentioned, this product held up to the test of going on one of our adventures. And so not only do we like the performance aspect, the really cool colors, but we also like the convenience of being able to pack these in our carry-on luggage without taking up a ton of space. So if you're new to snorkeling or you need to look at getting a pair to travel with, we highly recommend checking out Cobalt Sports. And so again, if you're interested, check out their website down below. And if you're an avid snorkeler, comment down below your favorite thing that you've seen while snorkeling. We'd love to hear from you.
So if you're planning your first or next snorkeling trip, then look no further than getting your gear from Cobalt Sports. You won't be disappointed. Plus, with the holiday season coming through, these make for great gifts. So consider getting a set for your friends and family. Because after all, life's an adventure. Who you going on with?